In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if someone blocked you on LinkedIn. LinkedIn does not send any notification when someone blocks you, so there is no official alert that tells you directly. Because of that, the only way to figure it out is by checking whether that person's profile is still visible to you through search or through a direct profile link. Start by opening LinkedIn and going to the search bar at the top of the page. Type in the person's name carefully and look through the results. If their profile used to appear before and now you cannot find it at all, that can be one sign that you may have been blocked. However, keep in mind that this alone is not always definitive, because they may have changed their name, adjusted their visibility settings, or even deleted their account. To check more clearly, try opening a direct link to their profile if you have one available. This could be a saved bookmark, an old message thread, or any previous page where their profile link was accessible. When you click that direct link, pay close attention to what LinkedIn shows you. If you have been blocked, the profile usually will not load normally. Instead, you may see a message such as "Profile not available" or "Profile not found." That message is an important clue because it indicates that the profile cannot be viewed from your account. If the person's profile does not appear in search results, and the direct link also leads to a "Profile unavailable" message, that strongly suggests that you may have been blocked. It is also helpful to stay calm and avoid jumping to conclusions too quickly. A missing profile can sometimes happen for other reasons, such as account deactivation or privacy changes. So the key here is to use both methods together. Search for the profile by name, and then test a direct link if you have one. If both checks fail in the same way, that is usually the clearest sign available on LinkedIn, since the platform does not provide any direct blocked notification. This makes the process more about observing what you can and cannot access rather than receiving a confirmation message. That's the simplest way to check whether someone may have blocked you on LinkedIn, using only the profile search and a direct profile link.